Hey guys, so today we have a new wig review and installation that I'm going to show you, and this time I'm actually going to show you guys like bit by bit of how I install this wig. So currently this wig is fresh out the box. I will be taking my scissors and just cutting off some of these ear tabs that are just like not necessary. Like this part right here that I'm holding it by. So you just like adjust these to where it feels comfortable, and then you do this. Now this is on, you can do two different things. I'm just gonna take a comb right here, and mind you, I'm not plucking this right now because I actually have to go to work in a minute. You do not want to make a straight line when you're doing this, so just kind of do zigzags or get some zigzag scissors. I don't really like those type of scissors, but you could also use a razor. I think I might have a razor too, so I'm just gonna kind of cut the lace around my hairline to where it's gonna look decent, and then we're gonna do the next part. And I'm not cutting it all off at this moment. I'm just kind of going in certain areas. So the next thing what I'm going to do, and this is kind of the easy part actually. So I'm gonna take some hairspray and I'm just kind of spraying it around the hairline. You can do this like before you put the wig on, but you saw I just did that. This is just to make sure it's not gonna move at all. And I know that looks silly, but basically we're gonna just kind of blow dry it, wait for it to dry, and then we're gonna cut the rest of the lace off. So I'll be right back. So now it should be stuck down. You just have to give it a little while. If you don't want to use a blow dryer, you can put a scarf on it and just wait. Now I'm going to go taking my handy dandy comb. This is a broken comb, but it works. And you just kind of wiggle your comb and like you just kind of comb out certain areas that have a lot of hairspray. Now, if you're wondering what to do about flyaways, this right here will help you. You take this wax stick, this is mine. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand, that's why my hand looks like that. And anywhere you see these like flyaways, you're just gonna kind of press it on them. If you do that though, you have to have either a flat iron or a hot comb ready to go. And then you're gonna go and you're gonna take your hot comb, mine's at 500 degrees, and you're gonna go over the areas that you just applied the wax stick so that it doesn't feel like waxy on the hair. You need the hot comb because it melts it into the hair, and it kind of just melts all of the flyaways down. It holds everything down really, really well. But you have to have either a flat iron or a hot comb, or your hair is going to feel kind of like weird and gross and like waxy if you use the wax stick without a hot comb. I hope that makes sense. So I like to just take like a damp washcloth and wipe away any of the excess hairspray or gel or whatever, and then you put a little bit of powder over top, and then you can take some setting lotion and then wrap it down, and it will be laid for the gods. I think everything looks as melted as it's going to get before I go into work. So you guys let me know what you guys think. I do have some hairspray right there that I need to get off, but I'll do that after I get off the camera. But this looks really, really nice, and I mean the hair feels amazing. So I'm gonna quickly straighten my hair and then we'll be back. And then what I might do is come back in like a day or two and give you like my thoughts after like a week or so of wearing this hair, so you really see how it's holding up. Because honestly, in my formal opinion, I really feel like RPGSHOW wigs are some of the best quality wigs for such a good price, and they just hold up so well. I'm still wearing my other wig for the past like 2 or so months. I love it so much. And I just love RPGSHOW wigs. You guys, if you see me wearing these wigs for the next couple of years, just know they hold up, and I wear my wigs until they fall apart. So far so good. I will see you guys probably in a couple of days with an update on how I'm liking the wig and how it's looking, because sometimes I feel like, well, most of the time I feel like sometimes a wig can look good on the first day, but like if you can't keep applying it throughout the week, then it kind of can go downhill. So we'll see how it holds up in the next couple of days, and I will keep you guys updated. So I'm back. It has been a few weeks since you saw the first half of this video, and I just wanted to kind of update you on how I'm feeling about this hair, how it's looking after almost a month of wearing it, and all those details. So let's get into it. This right here is the same wig from earlier in the video. I, however, cut like 1 inch or so, maybe 2 inches off of this hair. So instead of being 14 inches, now it's more like 12, I would say. So it still has some length to it, but it's really more of a, even more blunt of a cut, because I just took clippers and kind of just like buzzed it at the ends and made it like a really kind of straight angle, as you can see. I actually recorded myself doing that and then lost the footage. So you won't actually see me cutting the hair, which is what I did in the bathroom. It was actually very simple. However, I just wanted to tell you guys about the hair and how it looks and show you guys kind of like up close and personal how it looks. So yeah, let me do that and like get closer and closer and closer. So I have just applied it with a little bit of hairspray and a little bit of wig glue. So here's what we're working with, right? It's not bad at all. I really think it looks pretty good for applying it with hairspray. You know, pretty decent.